What's going on? Oh, yeah? What else? Are you going to talk to us? Hi. Hi, Jocelyn. Hi, Jocelyn. Hi, Jocelyn. What are you doing? Hi. Oh, yeah? What else? Say, I slept in my bassinet last night, but I'm too big for it. Say, I like to roll around. Oh, yeah, you agree? You agree? Say hi, everyone. Yeah, say, I know I'm so cute, huh? What's your shirt say? Show me your shirt. Oh, it says pinch me. I'm cute.